Good morning.
Good morning to you too.
How was your weekend?
It was great, thanks for asking.
What's your favorite type of cuisine?
I enjoy Chinese food.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one sister.
Have you ever visited a museum?
Yes, I've been to a few.
Can you ride a bicycle?
Yes, I can ride a bike.
What's your favorite fruit?
I love strawberries.
Do you like to go camping?
Yes, camping is fun.
Have you ever seen a live concert?
No, I haven't had the chance.
What's your favorite subject in school?
I like science.
Are you a cat person or a dog person?
I prefer dogs.
Do you have any plans for the evening?
I'm going to a friend's party.
What's your favorite TV series?
I enjoy watching Friends.
Do you like going to the beach?
Yes, the beach is so relaxing.
Have you ever been in a hot air balloon?
No, but I'd love to try it.
What's your favorite outdoor activity?
I like hiking in the mountains.
Do you enjoy going to the theater?
Yes, I love watching plays.
Have you ever been to a music festival?
Yes, it was an amazing experience.
What's your favorite drink?
I enjoy drinking iced tea.
Do you like to watch sports on TV?
Yes, I'm a fan of basketball.
What's your favorite type of flower?
I like roses.
Have you ever been on a road trip?
Yes, I've been on a few.
Do you like to take photographs?
Yes, I enjoy photography.
What's your favorite place to relax?
I love sitting by the lake.
Have you ever ridden a horse?
No, I haven't tried horseback riding.
What's your favorite ice cream flavor?
I like chocolate chip.
Do you have a favorite quote?
Live life to the fullest is my favorite.
Have you ever been scuba diving?
No, but it sounds exciting.
What's your favorite day of the week?
I like Saturdays the most.
Do you enjoy gardening?
Yes, I find it therapeutic.